go on a journey with ABC.
A is for astronaut, ready to fly, war, war. B is for bridge, let's wave goodbye to light. C is for castle, shining bright. C. D is for dragon, roaring with mightily. C. E is for engine, choo-choo train. F is for forest after the rain. Fun, hey, hey. G is for garden, flowers that bloom. H is for hat, spinning in the room. I is for igloo, snowy and cold. J is for jewels, glitter lighthouse, guiding the fleet. M is for mountain, climbing so high. N is for night, stars in the sky. O is for ocean, deep and blue. P is for parrot, talking to you. Q is for quilt, cozy and warm. R is for robot, dancing with charm. S is for spaceship, zooming away.
Hold up, T is for treasure, hidden in the bay. U is for unicorn, magical and bright. V is for volcano, fiery light. W is for windmill turning. X is for X-ray, bones can be found. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, stripes all around.
A is for apple, red and brown. B is for ball that bounces on ground. C is for cat who loves to purr. D is for dog who likes to stir. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swims all day. G is for goat with the little horns. H is for hat that everyone adorns. I is for igloo, cold and white. J is for jelly, sweet and light. K is for kite flying in the sky. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for moon that shines so bright. N is for nest, birds built just right. O is for octopus under the sea. P is for penguin so cute to see. Q is for queen with the golden crown. R is for rainbow up and down. S is for sun, warm and high. T is for train zooming by. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for van on the lane. W is for whale swimming free. X is for xylophone, play with glee. Y is for yak, big and strong. E is for zebra with stripes all along.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next one.